I turned my ordinary glass pot into a gift item. Let's do it together. Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to turn this ordinary glass pot into a gift item or a thing of beauty. I'm going to turn it into a jewelry box. Hope you're gonna like it. Tell me in the comment section what do you think of this project. I'm going to use golden acrylic paint with varnish. I have mixed varnish in it because I don't want to give a coat of varnish after I have painted it all. I'm going to put dots with the dotting tool, and I am doing this just to give it a bit ornamental look. This is not the only thing we are going to do to make it more beautiful. I am also going to decorate it with ribbon and fabric flowers, so stay tuned for that. Here I'm using the smallest headed ball tool to give dots and do it to the all of the surface like this in a circle. You can see I have also put dots near the rim of the lid and again at the lower portion of the pot too. This is all the painting we are going to do today, and now we are going to decorate it with these flowers. The yellow flowers you are watching here, these are the flowers I have seen grown on a tree and I really like them. In the coming up videos I'm going to make all these flowers and leaves, so guys, be ready for something new. You know the surface of the glass is green, so I have opted to make this leaf in off-white color, and these are real leaves too. And when I'm going to make the leaves with the flowers, I am going to show a picture of it so you can know these are not some imaginary leaves. I like the look of the glass, so I'm not going to cover the whole of the pot with the flowers, and I'm going to put 4 flowers on the lid and 4 flowers on the body of the pot. Firstly, I have stuck the 2 leaves together with hot glue, then put a dot of that same hot glue on the wrong side of the flower, stuck it on the leaves, and now I am adding bead vines to give it a delicate look. I didn't want it to have a flat look. Now we have the flower in a kind of a small bunch and it's ready to be stuck on the pot. Again, I'm going to use hot glue to stick it on the pot. To stick the flowers on the pot, I'm using hot glue, and you know it's spring season already, so I wanted to welcome this new season with a new project. I'm going to gift it to my sister, and I hope you are going to make it too and gift it to your loved ones. I think it's a good idea to make gifts for your loved ones and gift it to them. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. If you are new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. The lid is done. Now I am going to do the body of the pot, and I'm sticking the last flower on it. The procedure is same, so I'm just going to stick one flower. You know what to do here. This small orange flower is made with organza fabric, so when I'm going to do a separate video about its making, I'm going to show you how it's made in ribbon, and I'm going to make it in organza fabric, but I have made it in ribbon too, and I'm going to show you how it's made. It's lovely but entirely different how you make it. Our jewelry box is ready, so I am going to put some jewelry items in it, and this is how I love it. I mean, it's beautiful to look at but also very practical to use. Your lovely jewelry box is ready, so have a wonderful day. See you next time with a new project.